Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
I will show a simple way to stop Windows 10 updates safely. First, pause updates from settings to stop automatic downloads for up to 35 days. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then click Windows Update. Next, use pause for 7 days repeatedly until you reach 35 days total. Second, change active hours and delivery optimization to reduce update triggers. Finally, disable the Windows Update service temporarily via Services (MSC) when you need it stopped now. Remember to re-enable updates later to receive security patches and important fixes. A method uses metered connections to limit update downloads automatically. Open Settings, Network and Internet, then select your Wi-Fi and set it as metered. This prevents many updates from downloading unless you manually allow them later. Use Group Policy Editor to fully control Windows Update on Pro and Enterprise editions. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and Windows Update Policies. Disable automatic updates by configuring Configure Automatic Updates to Disabled in that policy area. For home users, change the registry carefully. To stop updates immediately, open Services and locate the Windows Update service entry. Right-click it, choose Properties, then set Startup Type to Disabled to prevent automatic starts. Click Stop to end the running service, and then Apply and OK to save changes. Optionally, run the Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter to hide specific updates from reinstalling. If you later need updates, re-enable the service and set Startup Type to Automatic again. Always install security patches promptly after stopping updates to protect against known vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.